You have a 4-seat Maverick R? I got 4 subs for your 4-seater. Bigger cars need bigger sound. Up till now, you only had the subs that go underneath the front seats, but you got more seats. So we have more subs. Drop them right underneath the back seats. They're a direct plug-and-play bolt-in. They work with your 10-inch touch display by adding another amplifier in the back, which means another 800 watts. So your woofers are now going to be loud. The car's loud. You can drive all your speakers. It's plug-and-play with all of our standard harnessing, which means your amplifier, your install, everything is going to be made specifically for your vehicle, and it lets you have a better install experience. Their durable molded enclosures will simply just drop right in underneath your rear seats with the provided mounting brackets, insulation foam, and all the hardware you need for the install. The hardest part is getting the seat out. Bolting the enclosure in is a breeze. Our enclosures are manufactured from a durable all-weather rotomolded plastic that's going to handle UV, dirt, dust, water, whatever you got, because they're sealed and low under the seats. They're going to run as reliably as your car will. So if you've got one of our Phase 4, 5, or 6 Mav R kits already, you can add to it and have subs in the rear of your 4-seater, or you can start from scratch on a new 4-seat build and add everything in at one time, from the rear subs to the tweeters and everything in between. If you're adding to one of our kits, starting with one of our kits, or looking for the best all-around experience, loaded enclosures are the way to go, because our woofers are designed all-weather to be loud on this amount of power and made for these enclosures. If you're putting your own kit together, like all SSV Works components are offered unloaded with simple plug-and-play harnessing, so you can add your own system and build whatever you need. If you're looking for the best sounding system with the most amount of bass, our rear sub add-on to the front subs to the rest of the kit is definitely the way to do it. It is loud. Thanks for watching our video. Remember to hit like and subscribe. For more information, go to ssvworks.com. I'm Trevor. This is SSV TV. We'll see you out there.